Hello, welcome to Start Your Workday Mindfully, a daily NIAPers 5-minute retreat. I'm Ruth Cologne Wagner, and thank you for joining me today, August 11th, 2020. As usual, let's dive right in. Sleep well tonight, under the stars by a mountain stream, is really intended to lull you into sleep, but it can be used any time of day to experience relaxation. Make yourself comfortable in your favorite position. And if you're comfortable, close your eyes. Take in a slow, full, deep breath, and then let it go. It's time to set the world aside. Let go of your day and begin the gentle transition into relaxation. And take another slow, full, deep breath and breathe out all of your tension. All there is to do right now is to relax, rest, and be restored. Imagine you're walking along a path by a mountain stream on a crisp fall afternoon. And as you walk along, you can feel the ground beneath your feet and hear the gentle sound of the water changing its song the further you go upstream. Where the water is shallow and rushes over rocks, it's bright and bubbly. And where the stream is wider and the water deeper, it becomes tranquil and calm. You can smell the scent of pine and the sweet fragrance of the plants by the water's edge. Looking into the stream, you can see a few small trouts waiting for food in the current or darting here and there. In a shallow pool, a pretty stone catches your eye, reflecting the late afternoon sun through the water, and you reach into the water to pick it up. Examining it more closely, you see finely webbed patterns etched into its flat oval surface, and you consider whether it might be a fossil of some kind, evidence of life lived here ages ago. You put the stone in your pocket and walk on. Soon your path widens out onto a meadow by the stream, and you find your campsite waiting for you. It's a place you've visited many times before to find peace and quiet, and you always feel totally safe, comfortable, and at home here. There's a log fire surrounded by stones waiting for you, burning softly. And nearby is a soft bed of pine needles, the perfect place to unroll your sleeping bag. It's starting to get late, and the sun has gone down, and the first stars have already begun to come out. And you're quite tired from your long hike today. So you sit down on your bed, take in the deep feeling of peace that's here for you. Perhaps you take that stone out of your pocket and look at it again in the firelight, admiring the patterns on its surface as you get a bit more drowsy. It's getting hard to keep your eyes open, so you climb into your sleeping bag and settle into your comfy bed. The stars have all come out now, and you can see the Milky Way painting the dark sky. More stars than you could ever count. And just as you're closing your eyes, a bright shooting star crosses the sky above you, signaling the perfect end to your day. It's time to go to sleep now. So feel your body begin to relax, starting with your feet. Allow all the tension to leave them. They've worked hard for you today and deserve a rest. And so the relaxation in your feet finds its way into your ankles, your calves, and your knees. And now relax your upper legs, your hips, and your buttocks. And feel this relaxation flowing up into your abdomen and lower back. And then your upper back and chest. And this peaceful, relaxing feeling flowing down your arms, into your hands, and out your fingertips. And then up into your neck, head, and face. Now, your whole body is perfectly calm, relaxed, and ready for sleep. And just to make sure there's nothing left between you and a gentle, full night's rest, imagine that the very top of your head opens and outflow any thoughts that might still be trapped inside. And they find their way into the beautiful starry night sky where they drift up and out of sight. Now you're all clear. Don't forget to close the top of your head. You've done it. You feel relaxed, peaceful, rejuvenated. That is definitely a meditation you do not want to do while you're driving. Here's advice from the night sky. See the big picture. Be a star. Keep looking up. Don't be afraid of the dark. Stay full of wonder. Expand your horizons and turn off the lights. Thank you for joining us today. On behalf of NIAPers, we thank you for joining us. Be fabulous today.